Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Shivtosh Kumar, co-founder of Sugarfit, and today we are diving into the extraordinary world of Moringa, drumstick, sehjan, and exploring its numerous health benefits. From its origin in traditional medicine to its modern day recognition as a superfood, Moringa has captivated everyone's attention. These are the top benefits of Moringa. Number 1, anti-diabetic. Moringa has a long story of uses in traditional medicine and has been shown to effectively reduce blood glucose level, making it beneficial for diabetes management. Number 2, skin health. Loaded with vitamins like A, E, C, Moringa promotes healthy and vibrant skin while protecting against oxidative stress and signs of aging. Number 3, immunity boost. With its high iron and vitamin A content, Moringa strengthens the immune system, helping the body fight off infections and any form of illness. Number 4, muscle growth. Moringa's high protein content, including all 9 essential amino acids, supports muscle development and maintenance, making it an excellent vegan protein source. Number 5, anti-stress. Moringa contains adaptogens that help the body cope with stress, enhancing focus and endurance while reducing all your tensions. Number 6, digestive health. Rich in calcium and fiber, Moringa supports a healthy digestive system, aids in regular bowel movements, and contributes to weight management. Number 7, energy release. Packed with minerals essential for energy production, Moringa can kickstart your day with a nutritious boost, promoting productivity and vitality. Number 8, vision support. Moringa's vitamin A content helps maintain healthy vision, crucial for both diabetic and non-diabetic individuals. Number 9, reduction of tiredness and fatigue. Thanks to Moringa's iron and vitamin A content, Moringa combats exhaustion and tiredness, promoting overall well-being. Number 10, bone health. Moringa's vitamin K, calcium and protein contributes to healthy bones, essential for maintaining mobility and preventing fractures, especially in older adults. Number 11, liver protection. Moringa helps repair liver damage caused by conditions like fatty liver, making it beneficial for individuals with insulin resistance. Number 12, kidney health. Regular consumption of Moringa may reduce the risk of kidney stone and bladder problems thanks to its antioxidant properties. Number 13, lowering high blood pressure. Moringa contains chemicals that prevents artery hardening, helping to lower high blood pressure levels. Whether you are looking to manage diabetes, improve skin health, boost immunity, or support overall well-being, Moringa offers a natural solution packed with essential nutrients. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights. I'll see you in the next video.